Okay, welcome to Woodville 2018. This is the Darbi MX Nationals project bike. As you can see, we've got handguards on it already. We've got some workshop graphics going, which they look awesome. This is going to be my first race on this bike, and the first one I've ridden the RMZ 450 2018 in a race situation, so I'm looking forward to that too. The track's pretty muddy at the moment, it is practice, but we're going to get out there and have a go and see how this bike runs. So we checked the times, we qualified 20th, so it was surprising considering it was a really average run. So goals, race 1, top 15, let's get amongst it. Alright, here we go, Moto 3, final race of the day. Track's getting real rough, real choppy, real roughy, and I'm just playing survival mode, so yeah, hopefully again, top 15, but we'll see what happens. So that's it for today. 3 races, 2 17ths, and I'm not sure what the last one was, but I had a bit of an issue with my front end. It was whenever I was going over the jumps and I'd turn the bars, the bike would start going like this. So maybe I got a bent disc, or I don't know, I got something. But otherwise, a good day, hot day. Pretty happy to be finished. So yeah, I guess we get ready for Nationals.